Hey guys, welcome to Droid Crunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor and in this video we are going to talk about the Plus Addons for Elementor. This is an amazing toolkit if you want to create websites using Elementor Page Builder. This plugin gives you tons of widgets and extensions that you can use with your builder, and you can have some more options and features, and you can enhance your experience, and you can deliver better websites to your clients and earn more money. Right, all of the widgets are very easy to use, and they come with a lot of options, so you don't have to write single line of code and you don't have to worry pretty much about it. And there are tons of features in each widget, I would say, in terms of styling, in terms of advanced options, in terms of content. There is a lot, definitely, and in other widgets I haven't seen this much of options available in them. Okay, so whether it is a simple widget, you'll find it very lucrative because of options that are provided. Okay, so let's see in action what are the exciting widgets. Not all of them, because you get many of them in most of the plugins, right? So when you install the plugin, you get this kind of welcome interface where you can manage everything. You will have your name over here, you will find the change log over time, and you can find what is changed and what is added in the recent version. Okay, and you can see the full change log here. Okay, for the light version and for the pro version, the separate change log, you can check them out. Okay, you can ask questions, read documentation, everything is all here. Okay, and then here you can see all plus widgets that you can utilize. You can enable the widgets that you want, or you can enable all of the widgets, or you can disable all of them. It depends on your system requirements or whether it works pretty well or not, because sometimes what happens if you are using share hosting, you don't have pretty much of PHP memory utilized to your website, and in lack of better PHP memory, what happens, your Elementor doesn't load properly. Okay, and shows you this blue loader loading on a loop. Okay, and all widgets are not shown. So in that case, you can have an option to disable the widgets that you don't want to appear in your widgets panel. Okay, so you can definitely go ahead and disable any of the widget that you don't want to use. Okay, and it's just a recommended thing and not for all. And you can also see the plus listings. You can set the post type. All of these settings are for the listings and testimonials things as well. Okay, and then you have the plus designs. So this is kind of deprecated thing, right? But you can use their live copy paste feature on their website. They have like copy the demo and then you can paste with plus feature. Like you right click, you get that option. Let me show you how you can do that. This one. So when you right click, you will find this option to plus copy. When you are there on their website, you can copy it easily, and then you can paste it using this. Let me show you very quickly. Plus add-ons for Elementor here, and when you go to any of the widgets, okay, so for example this preloader, show a different thing, pricing table. Okay, will look good. Okay, so when you are on this section, you can see this copy button right here. You can click to copy this entire section and come over here on your page. I would navigate it and then delete this edge gate. Okay, now you can paste from this plus paste. Okay, so now it is here. Okay, so you can utilize it. Okay, for a time being it is not working properly. Okay, and then you have this extra options that you can enable or you can set. These are kind of integrations, okay, that you need to set up before you are using their widgets, that require you to actually set this up so that they can work properly. Okay, so for example, you are using the MailChimp widget or something, then you will need to set up the API key, list key, all of this in this section, right? And then you have this performance tab where you can set the cache option so that your widgets are working perfectly. Okay, and then you have this custom option where you can set custom CSS and custom JS, and here you can activate your theme by putting a license. Okay, and here the white label solution so that you can change the plugin name or something, and if you want to don't want to show this to a client or something, I do not use it. So here we are. Okay, so let's discuss some of the widgets that I like most about Plus Addons. So this is a loop. Let me see first, like if my all the widgets are enabled. Enable all and see. So it is named with dynamic listing, like in Crocker block. So you can use this widget, and you can have this post listing type. You can set it as normal page, archive page, custom query, or search list. Okay, so when you're using their filter widget in conjunction with this widget, then you can use the search list option. You can have this custom query enabled, and you can set the query ID if you're using any other plugin that allows you to set the query through an ID. And you can have asif repeater and set the template as well. And you have this archive page as well, so you can show it on an archive page. Okay, so it's kind of query option, and it's a normal page, and set the post. Okay, and here's the post type you can choose. Okay, and here's this styling option that you can set. If you don't like this styling that is defined over here, then you can just set it to custom skin. Okay, and set a template. You can create any template, and then you can set it later. And here's a layout that you can choose, like create masonry, metro, or carousel. Okay, depends on how you want it to look. Okay, then you have the content source. You can select the category from this. You can say like extra query filter. You can set the category from where the post will be shown, set the tags. Okay, and include posts by manually selecting them, excluding posts from the loop. Okay, you can manage the columns, how much to show in desktop, how much to show in tablets, how much to show in mobile. Okay, so that it keeps responsive over on different devices. Okay, then you have this filter widget, double filters that I like most. Okay, you can set the source like checkbox. Okay, again set the source, taxonomy, again select taxonomy, category. Okay, we have only one category, so it's only here categorized. Okay, you can add more options like these. Okay, it's like double filter. You can also use it for a Woo filter if you are using WooCommerce on your website. Okay, and show it for the product categories or something like that, right? And then you can have all these options, whether you want to show Dropbox, you want to show date picker, you want to show checkbox, you want to show range slider. You can use any of these and set the select the type, and then you'll have all of this enabled for you, like select the type. You can also use asif connection, so that is very useful. Let me show you what I have done using it. So here's a website of mine, and I'm using it for here. So this way it lets you to choose the plugin like all add-ons, and I want to choose video widgets. I will select it and I will search it, and it will show me all the widgets. Okay, so this is how you can use it on a website. You can show on the data sources from where you want to query the loop, and this is for the query. Okay, it will let you filter the query, and this post loop will depend on this query. Okay, and this is how it works. It is having a custom template, and it is designed through this widget itself, because there are lots of styling options. Whether you are a date picker, you have a lot of styling for date picker. Okay, alphabet, everything it's very heavy, I would say, because not for the front end, but for this editor, for the JS editor, it looks very heavy, because when you click on any of it takes a little bit of time. Sometimes if you want a good hosting, then it will not bother you, believe me. Okay, because there are a lot of options. Even if you are on drop down, you can see there are a bunch of them. You can do many kind of customizations. Okay, you can set the background options, everything is there. You want to set the checkbox design like we have here in this uncharacterized, you can set its size. Okay, checkbox size, you can set offset left or right. Okay, and everything is here. Okay, if I talk about customizations, it will take the video to have like 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk about all of these options that are over there. Okay, you also have this comment widget, post comment. Okay, and with this widget enabled, you can actually use this widget on your single post type, single post page template or post template, and you can have this have a different kind of styling for that, because in default you don't get the custom styling from Elementor, because there's only one option, that is to have the theme or theme style, theme skin I would say, and you don't have any option to set any different skin or custom skin. So in that case you can utilize their post comment widget. Okay, and talking about more widgets, you have these widgets very well categorized. Let me show you. Plus essentials, plus listing, plus creatives, plus tabbed, plus adapted. Okay, plus header, plus builder, plus Woo builder, and plus arc filters. Okay, plus search filters. So WP filters and WP search bar. Search bar is for the hero section, and WP filters you can use it like for a different section and show the post loop. So this doesn't show the post loop, it shows the post loop along with the search. Okay, and plus add-on, plus deprecated, so it is depreciated. Okay, the most useful widgets are these plus listings widgets, where you can show the blog listing page, naming smart showcase. Okay, and you can use this gallery listing as well. You can set the content source, you can add a few images from here. Okay, like this. Okay, select the option to have repeat or normal. I'll keep it to default, and here are a couple of stylings: style 2, style 3. Let me first delete this one. Okay, so the animation is changed because style chosen. See it, and style 4 looks like this. You can set the columns options. There's 4 columns, but we have only 3 images, so we can keep it to 3 columns, and it looks better, right? And it is also having a light box. You also have this plus creatives, Lottie animations, casual remote, design tool, dynamic device. Okay, this whole card is also very exciting. You will need to add the items. It's pretty difficult as well at the same time, because you will have to choose tags properly. Okay, have the content, the interesting part, however, is that you have the documentation, and if you don't understand how to use any specific widget, then you can head over to their documentation, go to support, and click on this documentation. They also have very well picturized videos about their widgets, so that you can also utilize them for your purpose. So you can see the search bar, search filters, all of them are very well documented so that you can use them. Okay, so from my perspective, there are a lot of widgets, okay, like this. You can use it, you can make it like absolute, and then you can use it on top right or maybe bottom right, anywhere, and you can set it for mobile probably, and then you can have this exciting feature. Okay, you can set the icon direction to like top left, and then you can use it here on the bottom right, and you can have icon layout changed as well. Okay, like this, work on click. Okay, here like all the customization options. You can change the icon, you can change the menu open icon style as well, right? You can set the icon positioning. Okay, it is absolute, but still it is related to its container, it is related to its its section, column maybe, so you can make it fixed, and it is now relative to the viewport. Okay, and then you can set it for desktop to have it on the maybe right. Okay, right and bottom. Okay, right and bottom. Here and here. Okay, looks good, isn't it? So something like here. So this is how you can use this widget. Okay, and you also have this dynamic categories, and all of it is here. You can set the switcher as well. Okay, have the custom content or the template. Okay, based on your need you can use it. You can have the content defined in content 1 for this switch and this switch. Okay, it's beneficial if you are having any pricing table or widget and you want to show the content, show a different content based on the selection or the toggle. Okay, and there are a hell lot of them, so I would recommend that you just head over to their website. You can check out a link in description and see by yourself whether the widgets are beneficial for you. Okay, the best part about the plugin is that they are like almost all the widgets that you are going to find in any other plugin, and they are incorporating every single week or maybe month more and more widgets. Okay, you can check out their changelog and you will find that there are lots of widgets are adding every single change. Okay, so my recommendation is that before you buy any plugin, you check out their changelog and you see how frequently they are making the fixes, how frequently they are updating their plugin. Okay, and how better their support is. You can check out their reviews, their official reviews. Okay, and so that you get to know how potential the plugin is. Okay, so this is the perk, so that whenever you go to buy a plugin, you must understand that it comes with an onus. Okay, so this is all for my review, guys. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and I will be bringing more videos for you later this month. Okay, and if you are a new user, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified about each and every video that we upload. And believe me, I am not gonna post any random video, and you will definitely love the videos that I'm gonna upload for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.